So you really it's like a vocational or a leisurely activity because it's amateur in nature. It's not professional in any way. But we find that
It's
sports
not
has
supposed to be.
expanded. No, sports has expanded so much that sports today in the 21st century, it can earn you a living. It can allow you to make sound and sensible decisions. However, on the backdrop, you need to have good people around you and also being smart enough to be able to make good decisions. Let me share an example with you. So if you follow NFL and if you follow learning and schools overseas, there is no what we call the transfer portal. There is an NIL. So you earn money to participate in sporting events in the US. Now there is this QB, a quarterback